Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Chiropractic Crack and Coffee. I'm Dr. Lloyd, Rincon Chiropractic, San Francisco, and this is...
Dr. Quigley, Rincon Chiropractic as well.
Alright, so we're going to do a collaboration today where the purpose of Chiropractic Crack and Coffee is to drink coffee while we watch educational videos on chiropractic care. So we can do a little bit of a continuing education, find out more about our profession. We're always learning new things. So we're going to look at some of the most popular videos on YouTube to see what we can learn from them. We're going to provide our critique, and this is for educational purposes only. I'm going to tilt this down actually a little bit here. Today we are evaluating an adjustment party 2.0. So I guess he did one before already. But this is Dr. Jason. And you said he's from LA?
Yeah, he's from LA. I've seen quite a few of his videos. I like a lot of what he does for the most part.
So I think we're going to have a lot to learn. What to do and maybe what not to do. But this should be a good one. This is 20 minutes long. I don't know if we'll do the whole 20 minutes. Let's get the sound in there. Active Health Clinic.
All right, I'm here today with Miss Casey and Miss Lauren. How are you, ladies?
Amazing. How are you?
Doing well.
He
Thank
definitely
you.
has a
Feeling
lot
very
of
blessed. Just wrapping
Instagram
up our shift
models
here.
come
Of course,
in
we've got you guys, so we're
get
feeling
views
blessed.
up.
How's everything?
Everything's really good.
Amazing.
Yep.
Amazing.
Here to make it better. Yeah.
Indeed, that's a fact. Now, I was just curious. So both Casey and Lauren are here, of course, for chiropractic care. And Casey.
So we've got some rehab stuff on the wall. I've seen this poster before. I'm not sure where it comes from. It always kind of gives me the willies.
Is that the nerve artery vein?
I don't know.
I can't really tell.
Been here for a little while.
Yeah.
Lauren's more new, right?
Yes.
And I was actually just debating which one of you guys was more messed up.
That's a tough one. My neck's on backwards, but you actually broke your neck. I'm surprised your head's still intact. The way that it looks, I should be like this. But
Is this
I'm
part of the
not,
history
so
portion of the encounter?
I mean, we're gonna actually. I think your neck
I
is
think so.
worse.
Yeah.
So he's got X-ray in this clinic.
That's pretty
Yeah,
bad.
I do like that because then you
It
can
doesn't
see
look like it's attached.
what they look like inside.
It goes the exact opposite way.
Yeah, it's always nice to be able to get a view of that.
And I believe he does post X-rays because he does some CVP work
Okay.
or spinal curve correction.
This is like after a month of care, he'll do another X-ray series.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he does that.
So
I like it for
This is gonna be a long journey, like you said,
personal injury a
but
lot.
I'm ready to.
It's really gonna get a view, and you can do a flexion extension view of an X-ray.
Right.
Yeah.
So I suffer
I don't know
a lot
about
from, like,
X-raying
migraines
every
and
patient that
back
comes
pain,
in.
and I can't do cardio
So when does he get to work here?
in extreme pain. Yeah.
Let's take a look at
Probably.
his office.
Yeah, they have a long intro.
Alright.
I mean, look at this. Look at this.
So does he always do? Oh, he's got 3 tables going.
Yeah, I think he has other people working with him too. Other
Okay.
chiropractors. And
Pretty simple tables.
from what I've seen before, he has this part open, and then afterwards he'll put them on traction tables for that
Okay.
curve correction. So they'll probably be there.
The kind where you have to, like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
they put the dental at the bottom of the neck, and
So is that a hardwood floor? Is he on the ground floor?
that I don't know.
Oh.
But like, look at her watch. Like, she's the real deal. Look, yeah, like she's an actor.
It's a good thing she's doing that before her adjustment.
No, you did great. Weren't you offered a position by?
Interesting blue wall.
Yeah, like years ago now. I'm very retired, but I went to the World Games.
All
in
right, let's see
Portugal
here.
And competed for Australia, and they were scouting acrobats.
Oh, they're kind of beating around the bush, aren't they?
Yeah, starts right there.
So basically, we're gonna do what Casey does for you, except a little bit harder.
One thing I've seen is I like that he
And we're
does
still sore
some
from
muscle
yesterday.
work,
Did we ice?
and he does a lot of muscle testing, which I enjoy.
That's why we ice.
Yeah.
That's why we ice.
And he does the muscle work beforehand.
Look at this is a rhomboid test.
That way, all the way.
I know that.
Yeah.
Not
Look
here.
this way, all the way. Pull in, pull. Solid. So she's not even trying to lose this right now on camera. There you go. Okay, and then you're gonna go this way. Drop the shoulder down. Drop it down a little more. Look that way, all the way. And uncross your legs. I just realized she was cheating a little bit. Pull in, pull. Almost. So. A for
So
effort.
is looking away part of the muscle
It's supposed
test?
to be fun.
I don't know.
I wonder if that kind of throws it off.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's necessary.
I haven't seen the rhomboids done that way. I've seen it when you're on your back.
Yeah, the
Same
supine.
position, but pulling from there.
What's he doing there?
I think he does cross friction like massage
Yeah. Like the
on the muscle that went weak.
x-rays, I was just in shock
And
seeing
then he
it.
post-tests it.
She sent it to me, I was like, how do you walk around?
Yeah, it kind of looks like he's on the levator scapula.
Yeah.
It should. It's about to. It's unstable.
But I was saying I'm glad he does this before the adjustment and not afterwards.
Somewhere.
Yes, I'm running away.
Yeah.
So I noticed a lot of people, a lot of chiropractors will do
No.
muscle work post-adjustment, which may cause like a stress response
In
and then mess with
and out.
the work that they already did.
Let go. No help. No help. No breath.
So is that a stretch he's doing?
He calls that a counter strain, so it looks like it goes
He's
into
from a
where,
commercial again.
into where it's tight.
You're a man. Most name brand
So
bars
like
and
instead of
body
stretching the
washes
muscle,
you
he
rub
goes
on your
into it. I'm not quite sure what that does.
Got a lot of hair there. Yeah, that's what it is. Maybe I should just shave it off. Lose a few pounds.
So like just some massage there maybe.
Yeah, anterior scalene or something.
Mm-hmm.
Now we know this hurts, Lauren.
That's
But-
amazing.
Yeah.
I bet it feels amazing.
Love it.
Oh, good, they cut it for us. I was gonna say, man, this is gonna be a long video.
Like this. Scoot over this way a little bit. Sit next to you here. Palms up. And head down hard. And push your head into my hand.
Muscle testing the extensors.
I think the flexors. He's pushing. She's resisting.
Oh, right, yeah.
Down. And then halfway to the right again, like so. Push down. Almost.
Looks like that left side is weaker maybe.
Yeah, look at that.
Gotcha. Let's go back.
So it is attached. That's good. Yeah. I guess it's working a little bit.
It is a
So he does like a pre and post muscle test after the adjustment
I
too.
think so. I think he does it mostly after the muscle work.
Years.
Okay.
I don't know if
Like
the
I'd say
adjustment
almost a decade.
counts for that.
So he's gonna do more muscle work here.
That's amazing.
She learns fast. Let's go. 5, 4,
What's he contacting like this transverse process? I guess some more muscle, isn't it?
-1.
Yeah, it looks different from what he did the
5.
last time. Or on the right side.
You're a tough cookie. All right, we're gonna breathe in nice and deep. Let's go this way. Breath in. Hand here. Hand here. Breathe in and hold it. Hold your breath. No help. So we're gonna counter strain all those neck muscles.
Counter strain.
Yeah, so it looks like he goes with
And then breathe
the
in.
muscle that's tight
There we
afterwards.
go.
Woo!
Not quite sure what that is.
So good.
So he wants to stretch the antagonist muscle, which I guess will allow the agonist to relax more. Nice.
Yeah, I do like his
That was
adjustment.
loud.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good
Awesome.
adjustment.
That was the one we were trying to get.
Yay!
Wow.
Got it. Got it.
Head relax. Just took a little bit of torture.
Yeah.
Breath in. And out.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay.
Dialed like so good.
Oh, but they weren't. That was
They
good.
moved so well today, right?
Yes, good.
Okay, now.
Another thing
wait
I
a minute.
noticed
You know
is
what
the
I
order
just
is a little
realized?
different.
We
He
have
kind
this
of
opposite
You have
he doesn't really have an
opposite
order. Sometimes he'll do the neck first.
So you're
Sometimes he'll
low
do the
back.
low back first.
Interesting.
Yours to the right. Y'all are like.
Together. That's perfect.
So like the two of you
We
make
need each
one.
other.
The two of you make one whole like whole person.
We lean on each other to keep ourselves balanced.
Oh my god, I love that.
So hands to the side, Lauren. Hands here. You pull towards case over there. Pull. And then you
QL
pull this way towards
muscle
the white
test.
wall. Go
Yeah.
Try again. Both legs. Shot. Abs tight. Almost. Now you're gonna go in your tummy. We're gonna get into the QL a little bit here. So you're gonna breathe. This is why I say I hope you iced.
I did.
When I saw her the other night, she came straight.
So he's pulsing the muscle a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, maybe he's on the attachment point.
On the
Yeah,
QL.
crest.
Yeah, iliac crest.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Maybe he doesn't. I don't know. I'm not sure if he tests after or not.
What was that?
Yeah.
What was that?
That's amazing.
There we go. Breath in and out.
Just another counter
No
strain.
breath, no help. Relax it.
Movement.
So
Okay.
we're taking a glute max and doing a counter strain. Let it go.
Because I guess that's a stretch for the
Motion in here.
iliopsoas, which might be a antagonist to the QL, right?
Okay.
One's in front, one's in back.
So
Yeah.
satisfying.
Feels nice.
Yeah. Ready to
Ready for the
mess it all
heels.
up.
Let's go. Big breath in and out. Lift your head up slightly. Set back down. Breathe in and out. You all right?
He's got the San Francisco Fire Department sounds in this video.
Breath in and out. Super relaxed in this one. Nice. Solid.
That one was easy.
Come on. All right. Hips relaxed.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he ever tests the QL again.
Yeah.
Post.
Another ad, man. This guy's making money. Skip past that.
So, let go. Big breath inward and out. Shoulders loose.
Nice.
Moving.
Yeah, that's good.
Come on over this side now.
Upper lumbars.
It's a little different over here.
Face you.
Yes, ma'am. And then what we're gonna do, hips like so. Yep, exactly. And then for this one, you're gonna lift your hips up. And shoulders here.
I see it.
What's he got there?
Like an EX.
And out.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Little kick move.
That was satisfying.
That's good, huh?
You got that one? Yeah. I got that one.
Now lay on your back, dear. That was a pelvic adjustment.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get these moving a little bit.
Whoa.
A little bit of talus.
I need that.
Indeed, indeed.
You call it talus or talus?
Okay, good job. Abs tight.
That's how I learned it too. I looked at the medical dictionary one day, like 15 years ago, and it was talus. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna call it talus.
That was tough.
Sounds
Oh
fancy.
no, you're gonna do the psoas. I already know it.
Hands off.
I swear mine are still like swollen.
So hands like this. And you pull
I guess the other one's done.
I guess so. We halfway through this? Oh, more than halfway. These videos go by so fast. Full week on the left, QL.
You're strong. You pull so hard.
Let's go on your tummy.
I don't test the QL like that. I'm gonna have to start trying that out.
Hips loose, shoulders loose.
I don't do that either.
It's not really a competition.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the
You know what I mean?
pulsating does.
Everything's a competition.
Sometimes like a hold in the spot helps.
Yeah,
I haven't.
What though?
like pin it.
Yeah.
That's it.
This must do like some kind of perturbation where it'll stretch the muscle spindle.
Okay.
Maybe fatigue it till it lets go. I'm not sure. Maybe it gets the little tendon organ at the end, at the attachment.
Yeah, maybe kind of like the hypervolt, just that
Yeah.
pulsating,
No help. Relax your
but
glute.
more directed maybe.
Let it go. Nice little stretch.
Look, that was that ankle adjustment that you like. Is that where you learned that from? This guy?
No breath, no help. Relax your glute.
No, but I've seen this guy do this.
Let it
And
go.
he gets some pretty good audibles.
All right, watch right here.
I'm not sure what the second part is though.
Right there, right there.
Yeah, he gets some good movement on that one. That one, I'm not sure what he's doing.
That looks like a.
Stretch maybe.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I don't know.
Wear heels much?
No, really. I would roots.
Maybe the talus. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because I've seen people do the talus in that position.
Right, you do kind of a scoop.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like he's quite doing that. I don't know.
Stretch much, Case? Let's go. Big breath in, Case.
Okay.
And out. Breath in again. And out. Lift your head up gently. Let it go.
Whoa.
Get a little extension by lifting the head up.
Yeah.
Let's go. Arms forward a little bit. And there we go. Wow. Shoulders loose. And your favorite part, Case, let's go face up.
Oh, I already know.
What it is.
I already know. It's almost like she manifested it, you know?
I knew it was coming. Here it goes.
Oh,
More muscle work.
yeah.
The nervous laugh.
The psoas.
You want to squeeze my hand, okay?
we doing?
It's good. I love that for me.
Yeah. Big breath.
One thing about the blue wall is it makes the skin tones pop.
You handle it with
I
like
do like the blue.
I like the rendering how the skin tones look on the camera too.
Crazy, huh?
That, I think it's a filter.
I don't know. I just think probably just the setting on the camera.
Harder with the Aussies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty high contrast, which is how a lot of digital cameras are.
Plus, you look at her lower back.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Get a little bit of a listing to the side on the X-ray.
Yeah, I
Quigley
think he
told me
marks
what
it
a
up.
psoas was, and I never knew what was that. And now I know exactly who it is.
And then you cringe at the
I
sound.
like that guy's big screen TV on that one video.
I'm like, what's a
Yeah,
psoas?
that's the
It's
the
an
full
X-ray, like a
spine.
huge X-ray on it.
Don't say that word.
Yeah. Tree up.
What?
California homeowners, if you have a power
This guy's
bill
milking
on the
us.
side of your house,
Where's
you
my
can qualify
cursor?
to be
There it
raise
is.
your energy bill at
Just to work on that?
You okay?
Yep.
Yeah.
How do you counter train that?
Yeah.
Oh, there's that move.
Yep, that's the best one.
Meanwhile, Andrew's like, what's going on with those ladies over there?
That's a good question. I think maybe when he had the knee bent, he was putting his weight into it.
Mm.
Maybe
There
that was
we
part
go.
of it.
I love
there
that.
we go. Now hands off again. And we're gonna go like this, straighten this out, push up.
So he's
So
testing
as
it
test.
after. I don't believe he tested it before.
I didn't see it.
Go here, push up. And then breathe in, push up. Yes, good job.
Yay.
Come on, now come on to your right side. This
And I haven't seen that straight on,
that lower back moving.
like where you had it, the legs straight to test it, and then I usually see it go outwards a little bit, and then they resist.
Oh, so like it's like abducted a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hips loose, shoulders loose, shoulders release.
Nice.
Yeah, I do like his adjusting. He's,
That sounded authentic too. There are some videos where I think they dub in
yeah.
cracking sound. I need to expose that and figure that out.
Yeah. It sounds more like popcorn than.
Yeah, it's like
a real
it's just the same crack every time. Like it's a water bottle.
Yeah.
Relax, loose, loose, loose.
It sounds more superficial. This sounds
Yeah.
like a deeper one.
We're gonna go on your left side facing your right.
Did a little piriformis test.
Go. And similar, actually. Here we go. Lift
I
up
think
your
he's
hips.
doing that same one he did
Yeah.
on the other girl.
This hand
I
here.
think it's a great way to get the facets to release
Breath in.
along with the pelvis.
Now.
Do that.
Little tiny bit.
Yeah, it's good.
Not quite as much as her.
No.
Not a competition.
Or is it?
Slide up just a little bit towards the head here.
I think I slept on my neck funny last night. I can't look left.
So funny you said that right now. Come on up. Face Lauren. Maybe it will be a competition.
Oh, what's it doing now?
I was like, thank gosh I'm going to see you today because
Pull in this way and look that
Same-
way.
oh, that
all the
muscle
way.
test
Drop
wrong
your
way
shoulder
again.
down a little bit. Pull inwards where you're. Yep.
So you look
Try again.
away.
I'm trying.
Trying?
I don't know what to look away. I haven't seen this.
So
I haven't either.
I've been out of the gym, okay?
Maybe looking away is more for the lever scapula.
That's what I was thinking too. 'Cause that's where he goes to afterwards.
Yeah,
who
that's
could
where he's
take
kind of
more,
on.
Lauren?
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, this one feels inflamed.
That
It
might
feels
make
like it hurts.
sense. Could play a role in how the scapula
I can't feel a
moves
thing.
and whether they can bring it, keep it by their side if it's
Yeah.
like too tight on the top.
Oh,
Maybe
man.
that's what's going on.
Okay. You got it.
You got it. Thank you. Let's go.
What's going on in the background? That
10,
the flicker.
9,
Okay.
Fan?
8.
I don't know. It could be the lights he's using.
Just
Because
part-
the
part
camera,
using-
the camera recorded a certain frame rate.
Oh, okay.
2, 1.
Yeah, but I think that's the room that he sends them to afterwards for traction.
Does he do an office tour?
Breathe in.
We'll have to do his office tour.
And relax. Shoulders loose.
He must. I'm not sure.
I regret it instantly.
So he's got the,
Tune it up.
what's that gun called?
Oh yeah.
I want to say Theragun, but it's not Theragun.
Yeah, it's one of those though.
Similar problems.
Why is it
Spend
like
much time together?
It's actually for adjusting. It's not for.
Yeah, the pro adjuster or something.
that? Your problems are my problems, and then we make it actually.
Yeah, exactly.
Our problems.
They're our problems, yes.
That's
There's nothing we don't share.
Is he doing the sternocleidomastoid? Is that what he's doing?
This one does
I
look
can
like
see
it,
you guys
yeah.
going, dude.
He's
Do we have
starting up
ice
behind
water?
the
It kind of seemed like
ears.
the scaling before. This one looks like the SCM.
Like an icing stretching station.
Okay.
All right. Now we're gonna take a big breath in.
That's gonna bother me. I
Way
can't
out.
think of what
Shoulders super
it's
loose.
called.
Whoa,
Wow.
that'll do it.
That was big.
That was the spot.
That'll do it.
Huge.
Thumb move.
Yeah. They're special.
And one more breath in.
Ooh. Cool.
Yes, ma'am. Abs tight. One last one for you. We're gonna go standing. See if we get the upper. You face
Oh,
this
yes,
way,
ma'am.
face. And hands down actually for this one.
This one,
Second floor.
he's
Your hands
doing
on
the
top of mine up here.
mid-back
Squeeze down.
distraction.
Press up
Yeah.
and fall back.
It's just so satisfying.
Right.
I don't know how I feel about that
You
one.
did it, all right. You guys did
It's
good.
just more general.
It is.
It's like a stretch,
Let's see.
Yeah.
but not as specific.
Right.
Not sure whether to do it.
Do it.
What would you tell people?
That's
Yeah.
Definitely do
We'll
it.
have to see if he
and
does
the
it at
answer
office
is
tour.
sooner rather than later. I regret waiting this long to even get started on it. So.
Well, now
if
that
you're
she's old
having any
age, you know,
trouble,
it's
at
just-
least come to Dr. Jason, check it out, see what's
no
going
hope.
on.
Don't make her
and
mistake.
treat it as soon as you can.
Yeah, for sure. I think because like you don't realize how much it affects your everyday
Yeah, look how the
life.
blue wall
Like,
just
you're,
really
like,
makes the
sore,
skin
if
pop
you just
out.
get used to the pain, like you don't have to be in pain.
Yeah.
And that's one thing I'm just gonna have to live with.
I did my
this.
son's
Like, you don't
wall
have to
kind of
live
that
with
same
pain.
blue, but a little bit more
Absolutely.
teal.
Just get on top of it, get
for
it
that
done,
reason.
come
A
see
little
Dr.
lighter?
Jason.
Not lighter, but it's just more of like it's got a little bit of green into it.
Oh, okay.
All right, that was good. I think I learned a lot from that one.
Yeah.
Educational purposes only. Reviewing that video for commentary purposes. So stay tuned. We're going to try to collaborate more on some of these. This is kind of fun.
It was.
And if you like what you see, we're going to hit subscribe. We're going to link to Dr. Quigley's channel below. Do you have a YouTube channel?
No, not yet. Instagram.
He's got Instagram links. I don't do Instagram, but Dr. Quigley does. So we'll see you at the next one.
Cool. See ya.